Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. We are here with Junoda hair, and y'all look how beautiful this unit is. Yes, okay. I'm super excited, y'all. Fall is around the corner, and I need me a new wig for the fall. But baby, look at this. This is her straight out of the package, okay? She has her own natural shine and luster. I'm here for it, okay? So this is the overall construction of the unit. Like I said, it's giving us full lace frontal 13x4. She's 180% in density. Also comes with a band just in case you guys want to wear it glueless. You can do that as well. But it does come with 3 combs in total. She is 22 inches and the density is 180%. So let's just get an up close look of this hairline, y'all. Okay, look the color, okay? But then back to the hairline, okay? I'm here for it, okay? They did leave us a guideline for baby hairs. So we're going to do a little bit of pre-prepping before we install her. Like I said, I do like to go in and do my own customization. So I'm just going to go ahead and pluck her off camera, but I do hot comb her before I do so, just so I can see what I'm going to do. We are doing curls today, as you guys seen from the intro. So I'm just going to go ahead and heavily mist her. I do want her kind of damp so I can get rid of the body waves. Like I was originally just going to put the body waves back in it, but I said I'm going to do this in some wand curls because I wanted to show that density, okay? I'm going in with my 𝚃𝚘𝚗𝚝 leave-in silk miracle leave-in conditioner. Y'all, I don't know if I said that right. But anyway, I'm just gonna put this into the hair and then I'm gonna go in and blow dry her dry, okay? Like I said, this is the quickest way to get the body waves out of the hair. Baby, do you guys see this? She is giving like, I want to wear it like this, okay? I really did, but I didn't. All right, guys, so time for the install. All right, so as you guys can see, like I said, it's the transparent lace, so we're gonna have to tint her. I did do that off camera because yeah. So like I said, it's tinted now. You guys can see it looks a little brown. I'm going in with the Kiss, what is this, the wax stick by Kiss. Now y'all know I love me some bedhead, but I've been really stuck on this wax stick. Mind you, it smells good too, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and comb that in. Now we're just going to use our Kiss hot comb. I do have her up to 450 degrees, okay? And we just going to run that bad boy through. I did push the baby hairs into the hairline as well because like I said, you want everything behind the hairline when you install. I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off as well. I try to create jagged edges so everything doesn't look too perfect. I love the hairline on this. It looks very natural. It's not a straight line as well. So Junoda, y'all did that with that hairline, okay? Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. I'm just gonna push it a little bit back, okay? So I can see where my hairline starts. I'm gonna place the product about 2 inches to 3 inches below my hairline, and I'm adding about 3 layers of this product. And y'all know this is my Ebin Tint Lace Spray. Y'all know I love this stuff, so we going in because sis, I need some security today. So I'm just gonna blow dry this until it gets tacky. Once it's tacky, I'm gonna make sure I lay it on the area where I applied this spray, and then I'm gonna stretch my lace, okay? Stretching your lace is key to having that seamless melt, okay? Y'all see how that melted? Did y'all not see how that just melted into my forehead? Like, y'all can't come for me, okay? The whole purpose of you installing a wig is for it to not look like a wig, okay? And I know it's different with colored units. All right, guys, you can see she's looking great. So we're gonna tie my edge scarf, a Junoda sent over, and we're gonna let this sit for 5 minutes. We let her sit and she's good, okay? So like I said, well, I probably didn't say it, but today's video, y'all, I didn't know what I was gonna do into the video. So I was like, do I want a side part, a middle part? I decided to go with a middle part because I feel like all my colored units I'll be doing to the side, because a side part is my comfort zone. So I was like, let me step out of my comfort zone a little bit and just do a middle part with this colored unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix up the part, add in a little bit more wax so it could lay super duper flat. Like I said, for our bust down middle part, you need that joint to lay, okay? Don't have her bumpy and lumpy. You need her to lay super duper flat. And also you can add some Sebastian hairspray to keep everything in place. Y'all, I love that spray. I really do. To clean up the part, to make the part pop, okay, I'm going in with some cream foundation. This is Kiss as well. I'll leave everything in the description section below. I had to layer up because I did want the part to pop. So we're going in with some baby hairs. This stuff is optional. Like I said, with colored units, it tends to look a little wiggy-ish when you add baby hairs to it, but y'all know I don't care. But look at me parting, y'all. Don't that look like that's just coming right out of my scalp? Baby, you could not tell me this is not my hair. I just got my hair dyed, okay? Go in with some of my Got2b glue gel, and we're just gonna go ahead and put this product all over the baby hairs to lay it. I'm just gonna create some swoops. Sometimes my swoops is too long, so I do trim them up, and I like them long at first because I don't like trying to burn myself, okay, to do the baby hairs. If they're too short when you cut them and you try to curl them, baby, I'll be burning myself all up. So I like to leave them longer. So as you guys can see, I leave them longer on the sides. Well, I actually didn't cut these no more. I just left them as is, but I'm just gonna curl them under. And baby, the key to getting your baby hairs, like the easiest way to do them, I found, is this method by using a tiny flat iron, because baby, I just swooped the and they just curled and laid there, and it was like, baby, I ain't got struggle trying to mold it myself. No, it was super easy, y'all. Now I'm gonna seal these in because, like I said, I'm gonna be out for a minute, so I need everything to stay in place. So I lightly mist my baby hairs with some Got2b glue spray, and I'm gonna seal it with some hot heat. I'm just detangling the hair for the first time. Well, not the first time, because of course y'all see me wet the hair and brush it out. But for the first time since I blow dried the hair. And she looked good, y'all. I really wanted to leave her like this, okay? I didn't want to put them curls in there, but I just wanted to show you guys what the hair would look like with curls. But this hair is super pretty. Very versatile, of course, because it's body wave hair. You can wear it straight. You can wear it curly. You can do your thing. So as you guys can see, I'm just wand curling it away from my face. And I'm making sure after I complete the curl, I seal it in with some of my Sebastian hairspray. Because if you don't, your curls are gonna fall out. That's just being honest. So I'm just gonna do that to my entire head. Like I said, I didn't go in and wash or condition the hair. This hair is just straight out of the packaging. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this to the entire unit, and then I'll come back for the final review. So as you guys can see, I'm just fluffing out the curls. I'm using a wide tooth comb to fluff out everything. Like I said, the density on this unit is 180%. So baby, when you fluff them out, they're gonna look real good. I love a body wave textured hair that can hold curls. Like, it's a must have. Like, it's a must have. So I'm super excited that these curls actually lasted me the entire day. As of this voiceover, I still have the same unit in, and baby, she's still going strong. Now the curls didn't fail a little bit more since then when I actually installed it, but the curls held really good. So overall, I really enjoyed working with this unit. I didn't have much detangle. Like, I didn't have a problem with this unit tangling up on me, although this is my first install, so I'm not saying it's not going not tangle, but it hasn't thus far. As far as shedding, I went in and plucked it, so I did get a little bit of shedding here and there. But overall, this is it, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Check the description section for the information in regards to this hair and the products I used, and I'll see you guys later.